You may have seen the old trick of taking an old angle grinder cutting wheel and making your own Dremel discs. What most people do is just trace out the original disc and cut out a new one with scissors or wire cutters. Now with that method, you end up with a disc that isn't quite round, that needs to be finished, and if the goal is to save money, you're really not saving any money because you're ruining scissors and you're ruining wire cutters to make those cheap discs. A better method is to start off with a little pipe like this. It's 1.25 inches outside diameter and it's 3 inches long. First step is to go over to the grinder and grind a bevel along the upper edge. What that did was sharpen this upper edge. So originally it was pretty wide, now it's pretty sharp. I think this works best on the concrete floor. This is a steel block and I'm putting just a thin piece of aluminum on top. I'll be using a 4-pound hammer. Put the tapered side down. I can usually do it in one good whack. It's a nice clean cut. It's a perfectly round cut disc. I like to use another disc as a reference for marking the hole. A pick works really well for making the hole. You want it to just slightly poke through the other side of the disc. What's nice about this method is this disc is already round. Before I use it too much though, I'm going to pull it off and use it to mark the center of the other disc that I cut. It's much easier when you have two discs that are the same size. If you like this video, please consider clicking the thumbs up and subscribing. It doesn't cost you anything and it really helps out the channel. Thanks.